What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to recreate and compare how I used to do my makeup in high school and how I'm doing it now. So I'm talking about my daily let's beat my face kind of routine. So if you're as excited as I am to see the difference between half of my face from when I was in high school and half of my face from, well, today, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Okay, that's better. So I'm gonna go through step by step and paint my face, as per se, to recreate both looks. And at the end, we are gonna see how it looks like and what's the difference between them. I reckon it's gonna be a huge difference, but let me know in the comment section down below. Apart from moisturizer, which was only like once in a while, I didn't used to put any foundation on my skin at all. So I'm just going to apply the foundation on my day-to-day routine side and move on. Next up would usually be my concealer, which I'm going to apply just a little bit on my day-to-day basis. This is basically what I'm usually using on a day-to-day basis nowadays. And now I would normally just set my face on a day-to-day basis, which I'm going to do on my right side, but on my high school side, I didn't used to do that. I take a really big fluffy brush and set that face. I wasn't into makeup that much back then. I wanted to look good, but I didn't necessarily buy foundations and stuff, so I basically just used my mom's makeup. And that's it. So of course that explains a lot, but yeah. That is done, I would usually go on to my brows. Now, in high school, I did used to do my brows, and for that I used to use like a really brown kind of eyeshadow, which we are going to do today, the exact same things. I'm going to take my Anastasia Brow Pro palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, the darkest side of Ebony, and I'm gonna use that. Also, back then, I didn't used to have like such big eyebrows. I used to have like a really thin line, which is annoying but very cringe once I look at them. Now that this side is done, well, we are going to do the other side, which is my day-to-day eyebrow routine, and I'm going to use this microblading pencil from Swaki, which I love because it has like these little needles, as per se, which leave you with really nice eyebrows. Now I would move on to the rest of my face, which for my day-to-day routine, it would be bronzer and highlighter, but back in high school, I didn't used to do that at all. I didn't know what a highlighter was in high school, let's be serious. Well, you can already see a difference in my face because, as you can see, like I do have like hyperpigmentations on my skin. I do get red patches really easily, which were so visible back in high school, but I guess now not anymore. Thank you, foundation. Now my favorite part of my makeup routine, as you all know, it's highlighting, and for that I'm going to use the I Love Makeup Goddess of Love Triple Baked Highlighter, which is a very nice kind of a goldeny vibe. Just gonna put that on my face, right on top of my cheeks. Next up would be eyes, and of course back in high school I did use a lot of eyeliner and usually kind of like basic black pencil, and I'm going to do half of my eye with it. Half of my eye, half of my face, one eye. You know what I mean. One thing I know I used to do is drag out my eyeliner quite a bit. I don't know why I used to do that, but it looked really, really bad. Now, nowadays, I'm not using that and I'm not doing myself as a Cleopatra every day, but I do use a liquid liner instead. What I also used to do back in high school was to pretty much put black eyeliner into my waterline I used to do that in primary school quite a lot as well. I used to think like that was looking cool or something. Definitely not. I learned that the hard way. I was looking like a raccoon. Okay, nowadays I don't put black liner into my waterline because it makes my eyes smaller. What I do use is a really light liner to open up my eye area even more. So that's quite a difference. Of course, now we move on to mascara, which I did used to use quite a lot in high school back then. Lipstick, I didn't quite use it back in high school. What I did use was just a lip balm, roughly once in a while. So for the high school part of my face, I am going to use the baby lips from Maybelline and just roughly put them in. For the other side of my face, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick. Okay, so yeah, we just finished, and I have to say there's a really big difference between how I'm doing my makeup now versus how I used to do it in high school. What were we thinking? Just to give you a closer look, like this is my day-to-day routine, let's say, of what I'm wearing on a daily basis, and now this is the face that I used to have every single day in high school. The difference in my makeup process overall, it definitely complicated over time and I added a lot of steps, but I do like more how I'm doing my makeup now, of course, rather than how I used to do it, because let's be serious, this is a joke. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. It was really entertaining to see the difference between how I used to do it and how I'm doing it now. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to I forgot how to speak.
So please whatever.
Don't forget to also hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also follow me on Instagram at amewnition. Without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!